this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 steps. Left foot, 2 steps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, reach move. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 steps. Left foot, 2 steps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Come on. Cha-cha. Turn it out. 2 hops. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never stop. Can you bring it to the top? 1 hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth.
Alright guys, run out there real quick, make a tunnel.
Turn it out.
Right out there, quick, 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 quick. Fast as you can, fast as you can.
Your mom and your dad, and then they had to What did you ask you? What the heck, Vincent? It was $5 for slapping my ass. I was standing and then he just goes like that. I'm complaining.